Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go through the mall, go for a walk, and we're gonna walk to the movies, and we get to the movie theater. I'll shut it off, alright? So walk with us through SanteFe Mall. SanteFe Mall, right? Alright, y'all, let's go. Whew. Plaza es grande. ¿Con perros? Muchos perros. ¿Por qué? ¿Y tú puedes poner tu perro aquí? Ok. ¿Anoto? La tienda de los sentimentarios. It's like a gift shop for like anniversaries and stuff, I guess. Cards, yeah. Like Hallmark. Oh, es un yo aquí. Last time I was here, I went here to Los Bolos. Aquí. Mucho divertido. Comida es bien también. The food was good. It was a bowling alley, y'all. It was really, really good. The music was awesome. They had some good music too. ¿Tú puedes bolos? All right, so we pulling up on the movie, y'all. So the movie theater. So we got to turn the camera off here. All right. I'll let y'all see where we at, and then we'll close it. Zoom in real quick so you guys can see that we made it to the movie theaters on the top floor, y'all. Across from the bowling alley. Y'all remember the bowling alley from last time? The bowling alley right there. Remember Los Bolos is right here, and then the movie theater is right here. It's on the top floor, around the way somewhere. All right. All right, so we going bowling before the movie. It's gonna be a nice little thing, y'all. It's gonna be dope. Nice little bowling alley we've been to before, but this time we're doing it better. Woo, so much better. Alright, y'all, so that was bowling at Los Bolos, and it was definitely cool. Little tunnel right there. She almost had a strike at the end. The pins were hating on her, but she definitely bowls good. She didn't want to tell y'all she didn't want to tell me she bowled good. She made me go first, look bad, and then went and knocked the pins down. But we got to go to. We went to the movies later, but we still have like una hora. We have an hour, so we'll walk around the mall, I guess, and figure out other things. Well, maybe we can play some video games. That would be cool. Or hop in the ball pit.
Do what?
Jump in the little balls. With the not. Pause, y'all. Pause. It's a movie theater we're going to later. We was there last time. Happy City. All right, so you like Jurassic Park? How do change machine? How does it work?
We have to get a card.
Okay.
We change it in.
Don't worry, y'all. It's in the budget. It's definitely in the budget. I'm gonna get your comments in a second. You ever play this? Ice hockey? That's the way to get your fingers messed up. I wonder if the service is still there. It's probably nope. Want to sit here and wait, or you want to walk? Wait. We just got the table. Popcorn? Yeah. Yes, we still in budget. You gotta love Medellin. You gotta love it. We still in budget. You gotta love Medellin. Popcorn is what, 25? And we gotta get drinks too. What's the combo? Oh, they got, is that cinnamon? 37? Is that cinnamon popcorn though? What? I mean the popcorn, is it cinnamon?
I don't know.
You got it. I want to say 20, 5, 10, 20.
Tahi, pepper.
Oh, no, I don't know what that is. Yeah, this we got. We got that. And these right here. Whatever this is. See if we can make it work with this and that. I don't know what it is. Still in the budget. We get the small popcorn with 2 drinks.